Honor will unveil 300 Pro.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
The new Honor 300 Pro will fit into the category for high-end phone and will be designed with some of the most advanced and unique features. There will be a huge 5200 mAh battery that can be charged in minutes with its ultra-fast charger, and there will be AMOLED touchscreen display. This Honor 300 Pro will be a large 6.78 inches screen size. And talk about the refresh rate, there will be 120Hz refresh rate. The Honor 300 Pro will be fitted with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. The well-known Adreno GPU will be fitted under the display. The future Honor 300 Pro will come with a triple camera system at the back for best photos and videos. You will have 12 and 16 GB of RAM. There will be under-display optical fingerprint sensor. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.